Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode, very simple, very straightforward. It is one of the last ones before the trip. The car needs to be cleaned. It is an absolute disaster, the state is in. I haven't been cleaning it for a good few months at this stage, so it needs to be cleaned on the inside. Might clean it on the outside, not 100% sure yet, if I have time. Couple of other things. I need to pack all the essentials, like the what you call it, fire extinguisher that needs to go in. If you, by the way, if you're traveling in Europe, it's a must. Plus, it's a safety, guys. It's always be safe when you're driving. Think ahead. My car is actually fitted with the old Irish reg, so it doesn't have the country of origin. So I'm getting a sticker on. Also, because you'll be traveling on the other side of the road, that light, that's a cover for the blind spot. Quite important to use that, so you won't be blinding all the cars coming from the other direction. What else? Oh yeah, today I am packing the toolbox. Toolbox is quite important. I am packing it using the list of that was recommended. Well, using the list of tools that was suggested to me on one of the Land Rover Discovery forums. There was quite a lot of comments and quite a lot of good suggestions, so I'll be following their that list. Also, what else? Oh yeah, outside camera. I noticed that I have light bar, and then on the both sides I have additional light, and I noticed that they started to weeping water in, so I actually had to take the cases off, and I'll show you now. So I took the cases off because they started to corrode a little bit, and paint them fresh. Yeah, paint them. So the plan for today is to fit them back on, and I'm going to use some sort of silicone just to protect them from further corrosion. And if you wonder what this is, this actually is that part. So it sits here. I had to replace the bulb for the stoplight, and when I was replacing the bulb, I realized that the case that the bulb was sitting in, it was in not the bestest state. Just didn't like the look of it. It looked very filthy, and I couldn't clean it, and I couldn't use any product just to bring the color back in. So I decided, you know what, I have the spray out, I might as well just paint it. So yeah, that's going back on, obviously. Right, without further ado, I am going straight and start working. Okay guys, car is officially clean. I had prepared myself I suppose a service kit, you might call it a service kit of what I'm taking with me on the journey, and I'm just going to show you now. So starting from the top, some sort of sealer just in case if there's going to be any need for sealing something. Derco is your liquid gasket, cable ties, OBD sensors, load of pliers, snips, pliers, and so on and so on. Tire plug, just in case, you never know. Hammer, initial, very important. Bar, some screwdrivers, flathead, Phillip head, Allen keys, chisel, a load of lights, duct tape, set of ratchets, sockets, a load of sockets, obviously then one for nuts. I actually have, I just realized I don't have a socket for the wheel hub, so hold on, I'm just gonna grab it now while I'm at it. So you are number 32. Yeah, that's going in here as well. Contact cleaner, brake cleaner, WD-40, from electrical, some fuses, spare lights, snip, Stanley knife, multimeter. Now from the actual spare parts, that's your wiring loom for the injectors, spare bearing just in case. This is the used one, but I know it fits and I'll take it just in case. Spare tensioner bar, some hoses that I might reuse for something else. These are actually for air, but I might be able to actually use them if I need to. Obviously your key for the fan, antifreeze, and the oil. So that's the service. And then from the actual essentials for the journey, triangle, fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and 4 high-vis jackets. Now 4 because there's going to be 4 of us driving, so we all need high-vis jacket. Also I need to pack another triangle because when you're traveling in Germany you need to have 2 triangles. And that's it. That's all I can think of. I read the comments on one of the posts I done a couple of weeks ago, and this is pretty much everything that people suggested. No, obviously besides having a spare Discovery on the back. But yeah, no, I think it will do. Look guys, I own this car for nearly a year and a half. I did probably about 10,000 kilometers with it. So far, he didn't let me down. That should be fine. I am obviously stressed out. I'm only making a game of myself. I'm trying to do a good face, but inside, yeah, I am stressed out. But you know what? It's going to be an adventure, and we're gonna take it like that. I'm sure everything will be fine. I still have a few other bits and pieces that I need to do on a car, but I'll do it off camera because it's absolutely pitch dark and I'm gonna have to finish them today. I don't have time tomorrow and the day after. Now we're still not leaving for another couple of days, but I just not gonna have time to do anything around the car anymore. I need to prepare, documents and print some shit for the journey and so on and so on. So I won't have time to actually sit and work on the car. So I'll finish this off camera. So yeah, that's from me for today. That's it. Next video would be us probably packing and we're gonna start the journey. Yeah. Look, it is what it is. Right guys, thanks so much for sticking around. If you have, drop a comment. Good luck would might help. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video where we'll be starting the journey.